Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Elasticsearch Service, manage search clusters step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Elasticsearch Service login page. Press the Enter key to navigate to the login page. Once the page loads, locate the login fields. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you want to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. After filling in your credentials, look for the Login button. Click on the Login button to proceed. Wait a moment while the system verifies your information. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to the Elasticsearch Service dashboard. Once on the dashboard, you will see an overview of your managed search clusters. From here, you can navigate to different sections of the service. To manage your clusters, click on the Clusters tab in the navigation menu. In the Clusters section, you will see a list of all your active clusters. Select the cluster you wish to manage by clicking on its name. Now, you can perform various management tasks on your selected cluster. These tasks may include viewing statistics, adjusting settings, or scaling resources. When finished, remember to log out for security reasons. To log out, find the profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on the profile icon and select the logout option. You have now completed the login and management process for your Elasticsearch service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.